Hello everyone, welcome to my 25th tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri Bagh. In previous tutorial we will see the effects of Lumion. In this tutorial we will see the small details with Lumion effects. The contrast effect add planes to the sky and also the trail they leave behind. This is the kind of effect that need to be added with balance in mind, unless we are working the airport scene. Moving to the weather tab, we can find another effect called falling wind. By default, there is a wind inside Lumion's word and we can see this effect by adding tree and looking closely at the leaves. The default value of is 0.1 works perfectly and there isn't need to change this spec when working on particular project. A special touch with falling leaves is from the names of the topic it is easy to guess what they are. Converting the next falling leaves is something we won't have either photo or movie mode, and for this we need to get back the build mode. In the build mode, open the object menu and click the effect button as shown in the following screenshot. Here is the effect. You can change it the Lumion software library, falling leaves, precipitation and properties. Inside the effect library, select the fifth tab here, where we can find three options of leaves. Like 3D model, we need to select and place one of these options in the scene and immediately we can see some happy leaves moving inside the imaginary box. This is nothing special until we open falling leaves property and start twiddling not only color but specially bind X and Z option. These two settings are add to some life to leaves and make them behave like they would real world. Enriching the movie using the sound. While working on project, you probably would have noticed a button, the object toolbar called sound, as shown in the following screenshot. Here is the sound option we can previously done in previous tutorial. The process is very simple. Almost everything else in Lumion we can select the sound and then place the sound close to area where it is needed. You can see previous screenshot that sound was placed near an area of people. After this, you have icon representing the sound but control it. Open sound property with any sound, which we always have two circles. The yellow circle, it represents to an area where the sound can heard loud and clear and it is controlled using mean distance setting. The green circle represents that the maximum distance till where we can hear the sound, but sound will start fade once we have leave the yellow circle. This circle is controlled using max distance setting. To playing safe with broadcast safe effect. Firstly, this is something that we will always be useful if your movie will broadcast on TV. For television, there are two main video formats, National Television Standard, then Phase Alternative Line. The broadcast safe effect for some reason is found that at this stage, if you are happy with entire movie and eager to render the clips where different countries to move the render final section because just will never some final touch is credential professional movie representation. So here is the settings you can need to add your Lumion software can change your leaves can movable in your movie scene. So remaining part we will discuss in next video. Thank you.